Have you ever looked up at the sky and wondered how modern air travel became possible? In 2024 alone, according to the International Air Transport Association, airlines carried more than 4.7 billion passengers worldwide. Every day, over 100,000 commercial flights connect cities, countries, and entire continents. Behind this incredible network in history, Airbus. Its aircraft operate in more than 140 countries, carrying millions of passengers every single day. From short domestic routes to ultra-long-haul international journeys, Airbus aircraft have become a vital part of modern life. But few people ever see what happens before an aircraft takes to the skies. Today, we're going inside one of the most advanced manufacturing systems on Earth to discover how Airbus builds the machines that connect our world.
The story of Airbus began in 1970 when several European nations joined forces to challenge the dominance of American aircraft manufacturers. More than 5 decades later, Airbus has become one of the largest aerospace companies in the world. According to Airbus annual reports, the company employs over 150,000 people globally and operates across more than 180 locations. Its best-selling aircraft family, the A320 series, has surpassed 19,000 orders, making it one of the most successful commercial aircraft programs ever created. From single-aisle jets carrying travelers across domestic routes to advanced long-haul aircraft crossing oceans, Airbus products have transformed global aviation. But the true scale of Airbus isn't measured only by aircraft deliveries. It's measured by the enormous industrial network required to bring every airplane to life. Building an Airbus aircraft is unlike building almost anything else in the world. Instead of manufacturing everything in one location, Airbus spreads production across multiple countries. Wings are built in the United Kingdom. Major fuselage sections are produced in Germany. Tail assemblies are manufactured in Spain. Then, these giant components travel hundreds or even thousands of miles before reaching final assembly lines. To transport these oversized parts, Airbus created the Beluga XL, a specialized cargo aircraft capable of carrying up to 51 tons of freight. According to Airbus supply chain data, more than 12,000 suppliers contribute to the production process. By the time a finished aircraft reaches the assembly line, millions of individual components must fit together with extraordinary precision. It's a manufacturing system that operates across borders but functions as a single machine.
Building an aircraft isn't simply about assembling parts. It's about creating a machine capable of performing safely in some of the harshest environments imaginable. The Airbus A320, for example, uses more than 50% composite materials, reducing weight while improving efficiency and strength. Modern Airbus aircraft rely on fly-by-wire technology, a system first introduced on the A320 in 1988. Instead of traditional mechanical controls, electronic signals help pilots command the aircraft. Before entering service, every design undergoes years of testing. Engineers simulate extreme temperatures, severe turbulence, and structural loads far beyond normal operating conditions. Aircraft are tested, stressed, and analyzed until every system meets strict certification requirements. Because in aviation, precision isn't just important. The influence of Airbus extends far beyond factory walls. According to the Air Transport Action Group, aviation supports more than 65 million jobs worldwide and contributes trillions of dollars to the global economy. Every day, Airbus aircraft transport passengers, cargo, medical supplies, and critical resources across the planet. Modern aircraft are also becoming more efficient. Airbus reports that new generation designs can reduce fuel consumption by up to 25% compared to older aircraft. This means lower operating costs, reduced emissions, and a more sustainable future for aviation. At the same time, Airbus continues investing in next-generation technologies, including hydrogen-powered aircraft concepts under its Zero-E program.
As global demand for air travel continues to grow, Airbus remains at the heart of an industry that keeps the world connected.
The future of aviation is already taking shape inside Airbus facilities. Advanced robotics now perform highly precise manufacturing tasks that once required extensive manual labor. Digital twin technology allows engineers to create virtual versions of aircraft, helping identify problems before physical production even begins. Artificial intelligence is improving everything from design efficiency to maintenance planning. Airbus is also exploring predictive maintenance systems capable of identifying issues before they become costly repairs. Perhaps most ambitious is the company's vision for sustainable aviation. Through its Zero-E initiative, Airbus is researching hydrogen-powered aircraft that could significantly reduce aviation's environmental impact. The next generation of aircraft may look different from today's designs, but the goal remains the same: safer, smarter, and more efficient flight.
Eventually, every component arrives at the final assembly line. Facilities in Toulouse, Hamburg, Mobile, and Tianjin bring together aircraft sections produced across multiple countries. Inside these massive hangars, engineers and technicians carefully connect fuselages, wings, engines, and complex onboard systems. An Airbus A320 with a wingspan approaching 65 meters gradually transforms from separate components into a complete aircraft. Thousands of hours of work are invested into every airplane. And even after assembly is complete, the process isn't over. Ground testing, engine runs, and flight evaluations ensure every aircraft meets strict safety and performance standards. Only then is it ready for delivery and ready to carry passengers across the world.
Today, more than 12,000 Airbus aircraft are in service around the globe. Every day, millions of passengers trust these machines to connect families, businesses, and entire nations. But behind every flight is a remarkable story. A story of engineers, technicians, designers, pilots, and innovators working together across continents. From advanced materials and digital technologies to future hydrogen-powered concepts, Airbus continues pushing the boundaries of what aviation can achieve. The aircraft may fly high above us, but their journey begins here, inside the factories, laboratories, and assembly lines, where imagination becomes reality, and where the future of flight is being built, one aircraft at a time.